Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to insert ads in your very own Teta app. The admod allows you to add the keys to show ads on your app. To create an admod app, first visit the admod homepage and sign up using your Google account. Now go to the dashboard and click on Apps on the left side menu. Click on Add App and select Android as your platform. When you find yourself in the section Is the app listed on a supported app store, select Yes if your app is published on Play Store or App Store. Select No if your app is still in development. Now click on Continue, enter the app name, and click on Add App. Finally, click on Done. Similarly, you can create another admod app for iOS-type apps. You should be creating two admod apps to display advertisements in both Android and iOS apps. Once you have gotten to this point, you must create an ad unit. The ad unit determines the type of ad. Creating an ad unit helps you request ads from the admod and display them in the ad banner widget. To create an ad unit, go to the dashboard, click on Apps on the left side menu, and select your app. Click on the Add Ad Unit button. Select the banner ad. Enter the ad unit name, and click on Create Ad Unit, and then Done. Let's now go back to our app on Teta and place the admod banner widget in the tree. Next, find the Android admod unit key and enter the key. Similarly, add the admod iOS app unit in the iOS admod unit key. When you're done, select Confirm. Teta only supports showing banner ads right now. You can find an ad unit test to try out the banner in the description box. You must also add the app keys to your Teta project. They will allow your app to communicate with the admod server. First, get the app key by visiting the admod dashboard and select the app. Go to App Settings on the left side menu and copy the app ID. Now return to the Teta project and navigate to Integrations. Select Google AdMob and find the Android app ID typing in the key. Similarly, add the admod iOS app key in the iOS app ID. When you're done, select Confirm. Perfect! You're now able to use ads in your app. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!